This is a tutorial on using Rank Tracker to get a ranking report on an existing site. I have just received notification about a site going live, and I'm in the process of doing a You're in Google letter, and I've already composed the email. However, I need to add a rank tracker, attach a rank tracker to the email. So if I go into my draft email, and what I want to do is, this is where the rank tracker is going to be attached. So I click on this link and I change it and go to my notepad where I've copied some details, and I'll just Control and C and go back to there and change the web address. Okay. And then I'm going to go into Rank Tracker. I'm going to do File, New Project, and type the URL into there. Go Next. And I select None. And then New Zealand, I select Google and Bing only, and go Next. And I want to add some more phrases to there, so I've copied some of this into Notepad, so I will just copy that over and put it in here. Control and V to paste it. I'll go Next, and as you will see, it'll go searching for all those keywords. Depending on how many keywords you put in, it can take quite a while for it to go through the rank tracker. So at the moment it is doing a search on all of them, and we just have to be patient and wait for it to finish. As you can see, it's only 16% in the email. It's taking its time. The one thing about using Rank Tracker is that only one person can be in it at a time, and so it is just courtesy that you always make an inquiry with the implementation team and also the call centre to see if anyone is actually using Rank Tracker at the moment. Otherwise, what happens is the person gets kicked out. There is going to be a situation where they will arrange it so this doesn't happen, but it can be a bit frustrating, particularly when you're partway through doing a process and then you get kicked out because someone else has actually gone in there. So it's nearing the end, so fingers crossed that no one else has gone into Rank Tracker while I'm in there. So what it's doing is it's collating all the statistics for the keywords that has been found in the searches in Google New Zealand and Bing. So it'll give us a report on how well it's performed. So now it has finished, so I'll press Finish. And now what I want to do is I want to save the project, so I go File, Save Project As, and then it'll save it as a Rank Tracker file with, you see the extension of STK. I'll just save it in there in case I have to go back and get into it again sometime. And now what I want to do is I want to create a keyword report. So I click on Keywords, and I'm wanting to get a report on Just takes a wee while for it to work through. Waiting. Sometimes it takes quite a while. There you go, it's brought up the keyword ranking and visibility report. So now what we're going to do is we're going to get the keyword ranking report by SE, so that's by search engine. So it'll go through and do the process again. And this time what we want to do is a quick save, and then I want to navigate up and I want to put it into a Dropbox for a particular client. So I use the up arrow and I want to go to Dropbox, and I want to go to the WebGenius folder, and I'm going to put it in Reg's Dropbox because he's the client that is going to see him. And then I'll scroll across to see whether there is a folder already. Just painters, that might be that one. And we're going to save this as a PDF. So we click on the drop down menu, click on PDF report and save, and that will generate the report. Seems to be taking its time. We'll have a look and see. As you can see, Google search, there's 8%. Bing, there has been no statistics for that. It's taking its time. The report has successfully saved. You want to open the folder, you say no, and then you can actually close out of Rank Tracker. Yes. Just close out of Rank Tracker. Go back to your draft email. And then we are going to attach a file. So in the email, click on Attachments. And we're going to navigate till we find the Dropbox. We'll go to WebGenius folder, Reg Barlow's audits, and I'm looking for Just Painter. Click on that one. And here's a keyword ranking report in here, so click on that. And it attaches it to the email. And then the email is ready to send. So you would click send, and that's the end of using the Rank Tracker for the Your and Google reports.